I get that some money.
This yours?
That's my guy though. Let me tell y'all something. They looked out at me every time I done came. Like now you on my live. You see what I'm saying? Huh? Man, I ain't no all but purple, man. Lavender and purple.
This together fire. Like this with this. What?
Let me see.
Let me hit that truck off.
It shows us on the lot. It shows us part of the red light out front. Let me make sure who's got it out. Let's see.
Let you look at it, let you drive it, and all that good stuff. I want him to know that it's available. If it is, we in good hands.
And if it is, I know. I think I can drop one. You don't drop that much on 34. 1500. Ain't bad.
No, you find one.
Do it, let it go. We in now. That's mine.
It's the limit.
Poke it out a little bit.
What size you want to go with? What lift you want to do?
We really got to go up with another 2 inches.
And one of the
We're running.
and it's all up.
So that one got that one sold?
Yeah, he's just pulled up to the front. Yeah.
Oh, okay. All right, well, I'll call you about another one. All right.
That was good, that wasn't it? It's cool, that's how I go though. I know it, it was too good. So we can get back to the, now we
What did he say?
I know.
Nah, we got something still. We just marked out, you know what I'm saying? Hold on, let me see something.
And it's 17. I got 70,000 miles, but like I say, you get a lifetime powertrain warranty with it. So you'll be forever covered on your transmission and your engine for the rest of your life as long as you own it.
6-speed, dude.
And it's a 5.3. That's him. That's him.
This is a 2020. It's a 2023.
Oh, no. Hey man, I'm here. 23.
Yeah, it's right here.
Shot up. Damn, this what I like. I'm just talking about far as style. This what I want.
Okay.
It ain't gotta be 23. It ain't even gotta.
It don't look like that, but it's in the 50, 60 range. It's a used one. What we can do, we can look at some used ones that's online and see if I can get it over here. Cause what you use the financing? Yeah. Okay, yeah. We can get online right quick and see if I got one like a used one like that already built like that. That's in the 2,500 range. We can do that there. Cause all these are here. These new right here.
What's that one over there talking about?
Which one?
Rocky Ridge.
Yeah. Now that Rocky, I think y'all did like what, 60 something. But it's a 1,500. So I was working with with Travis Kelce on the black one that we had. Reese put me in contact with Travis Kelce on the black one. I'm supposed to be holding up a black one like that for Travis Kelce. Them right there, them popular right there.
And how much they is?
That's probably like in the 60s now. Like mid 60s, 70s in that range. But it's like I said, 1,500, so I don't know if it ain't gonna do what you need. What you looking to pull?
I really ain't looking to pull. I really want something that I got like a bed cover on it too.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying? Gotta be able to work. So whenever I'm traveling or if I'm, you know what I'm saying?
Right.
Then whenever I get ready to pull my trailer with my clothes, I plan on doing a mobile store as well.
Got you.
So that way I can have my truck ready. You know what I'm
Okay.
saying?
Okay. What's the blue? What's the blue one? 2000.
Yeah, they
He
is.
had the yellow and then cutting off the skin, the onion.
I like that.
You got these right here, they in the 50s. That's a platinum.
Man, if you don't give me away from these 50s.
Got this a good one to have. I want to say this was like 30s, like high 30s in that range. 30s. If not, then they're close to 20s. It's the round 1500 classic. Like this one is a 2022 with only 40. This one,
Filthy green.
it ain't gonna be no 53. Shit, this one up for 33.9. Got your bed, beautiful Patriot color.
Damn, I want to do a body.
New about it style.
I know this the old one.
Yeah, that's the classic. I got some rims. As far as like the new bodies, some built here, these are smaller trucks. New body style rim right there. I think that's like
With that list that we got down from them 30s, I just need to go through that bitch and decide which
one you want to work.
Which one I want to do.
Then that one there, the white one, I want to say that's like 46, 40, 46.
I know you want me to spend that money, So is it a way that you can simulate the ones that you got? Yeah, I might need to pull off, smoke one. Y'all see this?
Been crazy for a long time.
Bad.
Been for a long time.
And that's what y'all women be doing, patting that thing. I get on that thing. Take her down. Do that!
One down.
Get me up!
Take one down.
Come through that like my boy on baby boy. Yes, sir. Jump around with you.